All right, so here we go. I wanted to create a application that would be like a custom API, so that someone could use an Alexa device to actually issue commands on their computer. And there's people may not be aware of this, but one of the most common ways that you can program Alexa APIs is actually using node servers. There's something you can do in Amazon, but one of the other ways, like you would create like custom APIs for like controlling light switches using a Alexa device, would be to create like a node server. And for those of you who are not familiar with Alexa, Alexa is one of the popular, it's a popular device from Amazon, which actually you can use to ask a lot of questions. It's a little bit like Siri, except it has some other functionality as well. So this is basically the end result was to basically use a device. I created a simple application on Heroku, which acts as a proxy, which could route commands from Alexa devices using ngrok to different people's computers. And there's a second application that's on the I'm calling Alexa client, which would be on a person's computer. Now, I did not complete most of this, but I completed some of the major parts of it. And I can actually, I did not have time to actually publish this skill to Amazon because it would not allow me to do the presentation today. It would take a week and I would not be able to test it with you. So I'm actually did it a little bit differently today. And if I log into the application hosted on Heroku, I'm just going to reload the page here. And the way that I did it for this was to actually log in directly to Amazon here. And once I'm logged in here, I'm now going to start the client application, which is on my computer. And then I can go to the Amazon developers portal and actually, and you can see here on the feedback from the client application, it's actually creating its own ngrok link, and it's actually sending it from my computer up to the to a table in this proxy application. So if I go to Amazon, and there's a lot of interesting configurations you do when you're testing a skill, but now I'm going to issue a command, and this is similar to me talking to an Alexa device and telling it to say hello. So if I do this, it'll send a request, and you can see here on my computer, it actually, from using Volleyball, you can actually see that a post request was made that went through the proxy application and all the way to my computer. And then this is basically what Alexa would say back.
Hello, hello, this is Alexa. How would you like me to control your computer today?
And then there's a few other commands I added to it. So I could do
This is the parent working directory of your application. /users/jonathan/fullstack/senior phase/hackathon/project Alexa/Alexa client.
Okay, and then I'll do one other command. I'll actually push the repository to GitHub. You can see it takes a few seconds to do that one.
Jonathan, I've pushed the master branch of your Git repository to GitHub. Good luck with your project.
All right, so that's basically it. As far as rooms for improvement, I would want to implement the rest of this, actually publish this to Amazon, get this working. And there were some complications that I ran into with, there's actually more steps here. There's actually tokens which would get exchanged between the proxy server and the Amazon application, and a few other ways that this would be configured so that anyone could actually download this, get this basically it's a Git repository right now, but I would also turn this into an application like using Electron so that it would be more user-friendly, and anyone could then download this to their computer, put in a few credentials, and use their Alexa device using their Amazon account to actually control their computer. So that's it.